The future of renewable energy, hope, innovation, and the power to change the world. The future of renewable energy is not just a topic for scientists or policymakers. It is a journey that every single one of us is a part of, whether we realize it or not. Every time we flick a light switch, charge a phone, or fuel a vehicle, we are participating in a global story that stretches far beyond our own homes. That story is no longer about whether we should shift to renewable energy. It's about how fast we can do it, and whether we'll act in time to protect what's left of our fragile planet. Because for decades, fossil fuels powered our progress. But they also quietly dug a hole beneath us, heating the atmosphere, polluting our oceans, and pushing ecosystems to the brink. Yet in the face of crisis, humans are astonishingly resilient and creative. That's why today, more than ever, the world is turning to renewable energy, not just as an option, but as a lifeline. Solar panels now gleam atop rooftops in the sunniest deserts and the coldest mountain towns. Wind turbines dance along coastlines and plains. Hydropower, geothermal energy, and even experimental technologies like wave energy are reshaping how we think about electricity itself. But it's not just about where energy comes from. It's also about who controls it. Renewable energy has the power to democratize electricity, allowing communities to generate their own power, become energy independent, and reduce their reliance on centralized fossil fuel systems. And while that sounds like a dream, it's already happening. In many countries, solar energy is now cheaper than coal. Giant batteries are being built to store power for when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Countries like Denmark, Costa Rica, and Iceland are leading the charge, showing us what a 100% renewable future could look like. Yet, challenges remain. The transition is uneven. Many regions still depend on outdated infrastructure. Investment in renewable energy must rise sharply, and governments must stay committed, even when it's politically difficult. But what drives progress isn't just politics or technology, it's people. Innovators, entrepreneurs, scientists, and activists are working every day to create breakthroughs that make clean energy more efficient and more accessible to all. And the more we support them by learning, sharing, investing, or simply caring, the faster the change can come. So when we ask, what is the future of renewable energy? We're really asking, what kind of future do we want for ourselves, for our children, and for the planet we all share? Because renewable energy is more than clean power. It's hope, it's action, it's our chance to write a better story. And that story begins not in some distant lab or government office, but right here, right now, with each of us. Let's choose wisely.